Hey guys, got a really nice one here today. It's a Leer 100XR. Fits the 2019 to current model Ram 1500 new body style with the 5.8 bed. It is black crystal metallic, so it's black, but it's kind of like a metallic black, so it's not just a standard black. This is in great shape. I don't see not much wrong with this one at all. Paint looks good all the way through here. Looks good all the way through here on the bottom edge. There's a small chip right there. Does have half side sliders on the side. Sliding window in the front. Small chip right there on the top. Looks good down through here. No damage. The sliding window in the front, so it slides open, allows access into the cap from the cab, and the cab from the cap. It slides shut, latches, secures that back up again. The side's in great shape. Like I said, we took this right off the guy's truck. It did not get set on the ground. Got a couple nicks right there. I don't know what happened. Three of them right there. I didn't get set on the ground. We took it right off there, and so it's not been abused from being shuffled around on the ground and chipped all up, which happens a lot of times if we have to buy them from other places or people take them on and off a lot. Bottom edge is in great shape all the way down through here. Does have half side sliders on this side as well. Single T-handle locking rear door, frameless glass. Looks good through here. Now the only thing that I would say is an issue is this had a backup camera on it. They put the clear sealant that we would use for paint protection. It was with paint protection film, basically what you put on the front of a truck or a car for stone chips on your hood and stuff. So it's nice and thick and it seals up great. They put that over the hole, so it looks decent. That's it. Or you can just put a backup camera back in it, and then you wouldn't have to worry about it. But that's the worst part of the whole thing. Door skirt's in great shape. It's carpeted on the inside. The screens are in great shape. There's no holes on the screens. Oh, a little snag at the top, but that's hardly anything. The bottom of the screens look good. Water spots on here for washing it. A little bit of a snag there. Top of the screen, but nothing special. Oh, I see a little snag back there too. Serial number, it's right there. It's 100XR with a 5.7 Dodge Ram 19, so 2019 current model. PXJ, that's the metallic black. Diamond crystal black metallic, I think is what it's called. So there it is. Cab high fiberglass Leer 100XR. This is a 2019 to 2025 Ram 1500 new body style with the 5.7 bed. Diamond crystal black metallic in color. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is, purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up online. They can all be done from that link there. There's also a link to our website in general, so if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, lift kits, those are all available on our website as well. So click that link, go to our site, type in the search bar what you're looking for, and we'll get it sent out to you right away. If you're looking for something specific for your truck, a certain cap, color, brand, height, bed size, what have you, we upload our used inventory to YouTube and our website as soon as the inventory comes in. So you want to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on inventory as it gets here. As with all our truck caps, they are local pickup only. We do not ship these. You need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.